Hi, my name is Luis Hernan Moreno Romero. I'm program Industrial Engineering. Eh, Pitalito Huila. Introduction of the life. We are the municipal of Pitalito, belonging to the department of Huila, one of the most touring and beautiful unsouthern Colombia. Thus fourth is Guinness Fair and Festival. Duration of the trip. On the first day, we can feed a great variety of include with native and high-bred impression for a week big high-dive diversity of animal and activity or super big sea including a variety of typical food of the region. They like you country history and white make takes municipal so special. On day 2, tourists hiking in the height of the city and its great variety of offerings to its tourist part and unique viewpoints of the region are possible. Duration of day trip. On day trip, they take you to quantity variety of typical food of the region, guided by you an emblematic souvenir, detail of the municipal and forming and folk hated farewell for tourists. Months of transformation. Your public service transportation of your choices motorcycle service and high variety of car and if how many weeks take on vehicles have access to healthy tourist seat of the corregimiento. Activities to do. 1. Love of diversity of nature. 2. Extreme sport. 3. 5-point visit. 4. Water park. Water park. 6. 5. Extreme experience of nature. 6. Food tourism. Safe. Place to start. Grand Premium Hotel. Hotel Guaitipan. Carmelin House Hotel. San Pedro Hotel. Typical foods. Meals with various roster preparations are very typical and shock my after biscuits, succulent pink, willense, roads, quesillo, among many more. Cost. One 3 day Thai walk, bean and cough of $150 with high taste entertainment for the next day, a cough of $95 Wolf Big Shoes including Turin's visit, taking likes day of text and reckoning, work costs approximately by week, one festive and hand tooth under took some texts to hit to come to create variety of food and typical place of Pitalito. Thank you and luck.